This visual training aid will provide you with the information required to enable you to use your NH15 escape hood correctly. The NH15 CBRN escape hood. The hood provides instant protection if caught in a CBRN incident. It provides a high level of respiratory, eye and face protection for up to 15 minutes, allowing sufficient time to evacuate from a contaminated area. It has a 5-year shelf life. Use of the hood requires minimal training, and it takes just 30 seconds to deploy. It is vacuum sealed in a foil bag and is protected by its outer carrier. The NH15 is a single-use device, and unlike conventional respirators, does not require annual fit testing. Made of translucent material, the NH15 not only protects against all airborne CBRN threats, but also protects the face from small splashes of liquid agent. The clear material has a number of advantages. It gives a non-threatening appearance, aids with recognition, and allows for better visual communication. Twin, low-profile filters on a unique hinge system feature the latest filtration media, which reduces breathing resistance. A unique front reflector enables personnel or colleagues to be easily located in dark environments. Selecting the correct size of hood. The NH15 escape hood is a 3-size product. We recommend you measure your neck size to determine which size product is most suitable. Please use a tailor's tape measure to measure the neck circumference. The 3 sizes are extra small, fitting neck sizes 12 inches to 13 inches, marked XS on the foil bag. Regular, fitting neck sizes 13 inches to 18 inches, marked REG on the foil bag. Large, fitting neck sizes 18 inches to 21 inches, marked LRG on the foil bag. Donning instructions. When donning your NH15 escape hood, you should follow these instructions. Warning: sharp edges, such as jewelry, fingernails or zippers, may damage the NH15 escape hood. Long hair should be secured before attempting to don the NH15 escape hood. Remove vacuum package from the outer package. Tear open the vacuum package from the designated tear notch at the top and bottom of the foil bag. Tear in a downwards motion in one quick movement. Remove the NH15 from the foil bag and discard the foil bag. Open up the filter housing like a book. Pull out hood to fold out visors. Insert finger into the nose cup and open up the nose cup. The nose cup must be fully opened before proceeding further. Place both hands, palms facing together, into the neck seal. Stretch neck seal outwards, creating an opening large enough to fit over the head. If eyeglasses are worn, stretch the neck seal sufficiently to clear the eyeglasses during donning. If the neck seal becomes damaged, then serious personal injury or death may result. Pull the NH15 over your head, starting at the back of the head and moving round to the front of the head in one quick motion. Adjust the harness by grasping the back of the hood and positioning it so that the harness cradles the crown of your head. Adjust the nose cup on your face. The nose cup must cover both the nose and mouth to provide the optimum level of protection. If the hood expands and contracts when breathing, then readjust the nose cup to create a seal. Ensure that the neck seal is smooth against the skin. Nothing should be obstructing the neck seal, especially hair, jewelry, or clothing. If possible, perform a buddy check. Check nose cup is centered on the face. Harness is symmetrical and not twisted. There are no obstructions between the neck seal and the skin, such as hair, jewelry, or clothing. If you have long hair, you should make sure your hair is tied back before donning the hood. Breathe normally, leave the dangerous environment, and proceed to a safe, uncontaminated area. Doffing instructions. Do not remove the NH15 escape hood until the appropriate decontamination procedure is complete. Follow all decontamination directions given by local authorities. Failure to do so may result in exposure to contaminants, leading to serious personal injury or death. When safe to do so, insert your thumbs under the front of the neck dam. Pull away from your face and then in an upwards motion to remove the hood up and over your head. Disposal of the NH15 escape hood must be undertaken as required by federal, state, and/or local laws. General warnings. This warning information provides the user with important information about the NH15 escape hood. The NH15 escape hood is for escape only. This is a single-use product and must not be reused regardless of contaminant exposure. Regular checking. The NH15 escape hood must be regularly checked for loss of vacuum from the foil bag. Do not use your NH15 if the foil bag is already damaged or the vacuum has already been lost. Failure to carry out regular checks on your NH15 may result in serious injury or death. Oxygen-deficient environments. The NH15 escape hood must not be used in oxygen-deficient atmospheres of less than 19.5%. This device is not suitable for escape from fire. If you are in an atmosphere where there is limited or no oxygen, as can often happen in a fire, the NH15 should not be used. Date of manufacture. The date of manufacture is shown on the instruction label below this icon. The date will be shown with year first and then the month. For example, 2020/01. Date of expiry. The date of expiry is shown on the instruction label below this icon. The date will be shown with year first and then the month, and will be 5 years after the manufacturing date. For example, 2025/01. Do not use your NH15 after the expiry date shown on the label, as the product has gone past the end of its life. Storage instructions. Store the NH15 escape hood in dry, clean conditions and away from direct sunlight. The NH15 must be stored inside its original, unopened vacuum foil bag prior to use. The vacuum package must be stored inside the outer packaging to minimize the risk of possible damage. Storage temperature. Do not store the NH15 escape hood below -10 degrees Celsius or above 48 degrees Celsius. Be aware that temperatures inside vehicles can fall outside these limits. Storage humidity. Do not store the NH15 escape hood at humidities greater than 95%. For any additional advice on the NH15, please contact Avon Protection directly. www.avon-protection.com